Hi friends, welcome back to Feathersuit. In today's topic, we'll be seeing once again about the poop. Guys, for the bird's poop, what I have uploaded few months back had got a brilliant response, and I around more than 8,000 viewers has watched that video. So guys, that was the main intention of uploading that video was to understand the birds even more in depth. So guys, today also I am sharing something called healthy poop. Why? Because I am getting frequent questions and queries about sir, people will be sharing their birds poop and will be asking whether they are healthy or not. Guys, for all the people in order to get benefited about this, and please make a practice of identifying the poop, whatever the birds birds droppings at the regular intervals. Now I'll be sharing about the healthy poop. What is healthy poop and what colors they'll be will be thereof. It once again depends from birds to birds, so there is nothing to worry. There will be a slight hairline change in their droppings. If you are giving certain vegetables, the same colors can be seen coming down after a while. So for example, if you are giving something like a spinach, which is once again commonly will be in a green color, then the droppings will be the green color itself, so there is nothing to worry about it. Light green with bit of white mixed, not at all issue, guys. This color poop will be seen when you are giving them the normal seeds and normal food. This is commonly seen in almost all the birds. Dark green and bit white, once again if you are given something which is of green color, something like beetroot, not beetroot, something like beans, or any vegetable which has green color, so you can see this type of green dropping, so there is nothing to worry about it. Light orange, not at all a problem. When they eat some pellets, when you provide them some pellets, or something which is something like orange, or something like lemon, something like anything related to citric items, citric fruits, so there will be light of light orange poop can be seen. Odorless poop of any different color, once again when you are given any vegetables or fruits of different colors, and the droppings will be accordingly, so nothing to worry about it. But if you have some unpleasant smell, then that is actually a problem. If you don't feel that poop is not that stinky, then nothing to worry. So be very careful about this odor part. This will show you can observe the stinky smell from the poop when they are laying the egg. It might be before or after. If you see a big chunk of poop, then definitely you get to see, or bird might have already laid an egg within the material. So watery poop is also not to be worried, guys, because especially in summer, birds get dehydrated very fast, so that they might drink more of water than relying more on seeds or whatever you have provided. So nothing to worry about all those also, guys. So light green with a bit of white mix, not a problem. Dark green with a bit of white mix is also not a problem. A red color poop is not a problem, because if you give beetroot, you can see a red color, and if you give something like pepper or capsicum, the color what you give, the same color of droppings will be seen. If it might be green or red, not at all a problem. even in their poop you can see a little bit of that peppery content and that chili content, indigestion, partially digest seeds can be seen. Odorless poop, once again not at all a problem. One small examples I'll give when I'm taking to this healthy poop or healthy droppings is, for example, if you are given something like apple to the bird, what possible poop which you can see is like light brown or white, more of white or more of watery. So that is the possible thing. And when you give a set of mixed fruits, not at all a worry, because you can see little bit brownish droppings. And when you give, once again I'm saying, the beetroot or anything which is in a red in color, the same droppings will be seen. So this is how you need to observe the healthy droppings. Any droppings more than 5 days of same color, more than 3 days of same color, where you need to work on, and where you need to change the diet. That's all, guys. This is a small, very very important topic, healthy droppings or healthy poop. So everyone, similarly, like the birds abnormal droppings, even the healthy dropping, one should understand. And this is about the small healthy poop droppings video and topic. Hope you are getting some inputs from this topic. Do follow me in all the social medias with the same name called Feathersuit. This is about today's topic. This is Chetan signing off from Feathersuit. Thank you once again.